In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A shared fiber optic connection is one in which multiple users share the same bandwidth on the same fiber optic cable. This means that the available bandwidth is divided among all the users who are connected to that cable. In contrast, a dedicated fiber optic connection is one in which a user has exclusive access to the full available bandwidth of the fiber optic cable. Here are some more details about the differences between these two types of connections. Bandwidth. With a shared connection, the available bandwidth is divided among all the users connected to the cable, which means that during periods of heavy usage, each user may experience slower connection speeds. With a dedicated connection, the user has access to the full available bandwidth at all times, which means that there are no slowdowns due to other users' activity. Reliability. A dedicated fiber optic connection is more reliable than a shared connection because there are no other users sharing the bandwidth. In a shared connection, if one user is using a lot of bandwidth, it can slow down the connection for everyone else. Additionally, with a dedicated connection, there is less chance of network congestion, which can cause slowdowns. Security. A dedicated connection is more secure than a shared connection because the user has exclusive access to the connection. With a shared connection, there is a risk of data interception and theft because multiple users are sharing the same connection. Cost. A shared connection is typically less expensive than a dedicated connection because the cost is shared among multiple users. However, the cost difference may be outweighed by the benefits of a dedicated connection, depending on the user's needs. Flexibility. A shared connection is more flexible than a dedicated connection because it allows for multiple users to share the same connection. This can be beneficial for businesses with multiple employees who need to access the internet simultaneously. With a dedicated connection, only one user can access the connection at a time. In summary, a shared fiber optic connection is one in which multiple users share the same bandwidth on the same fiber optic cable, while a dedicated fiber optic connection is one in which a user has exclusive access to the full available bandwidth of the fiber optic cable. A dedicated connection offers higher reliability, security, and speed, but it is more expensive than a shared connection. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Created by SKD. Powered by PeshawarOnline.pk.